JavaScript is a powerful programming language that is essential for creating modern web applications and user interfaces. In this article, we will explore the history of JavaScript, its features, and its uses in web development. History of JavaScript. JavaScript was first created by Brendan Eich in just 10 days while he was working at Netscape in 1995. Originally called Mocha, it was later renamed to LiveScript, and finally to JavaScript. Its purpose was to allow developers to add interactivity and dynamic functionality to web pages. The release of JavaScript coincided with the rise of the World Wide Web, and it quickly became an essential tool for web developers. Its popularity grew as web browsers began to support it natively, and it became the de facto standard for client-side web scripting. Features of JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile language that has many features that make it ideal for web development. Here are some of the most important features of JavaScript. Interactivity. JavaScript allows developers to create interactive web pages that respond to user input. This is done by adding event listeners to web page elements such as buttons and forms. DOM manipulation. JavaScript can be used to manipulate the document object model, DOM, of a web page. This allows developers to add, remove, or modify elements on the page, which can be used to create dynamic user interfaces. Asynchronous programming. JavaScript supports asynchronous programming, which allows developers to execute code in the background without blocking the main thread. This is important for creating fast and responsive web applications. Closures. JavaScript supports closures, which are functions that have access to variables in their outer scope. This allows developers to create more modular and reusable code. Prototypes. JavaScript uses prototypes instead of classes to define objects. This allows developers to create more flexible and dynamic objects. Uses of JavaScript. JavaScript is used in a wide variety of web development applications. Here are some of the most common uses of JavaScript. User interfaces. JavaScript is used to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces that respond to user input. Form validation. JavaScript is used to validate user input on web forms, ensuring that data is entered correctly. Animations and visual effects. JavaScript is used to create animations and visual effects on web pages, such as image slideshows and parallax scrolling. Web applications. JavaScript is used to create web applications such as social networking sites, online marketplaces, and productivity tools. Server-side programming. JavaScript is used in server-side programming using platforms such as Node.js. This allows developers to write JavaScript code that runs on the server and can be used to build scalable, high-performance web applications. Conclusion. JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that is essential for creating modern web applications and user interfaces. Its features and uses in web development make it a valuable tool for developers, and its continued popularity ensures that it will remain a key part of web development for years to come.